What age you had your first tongue kiss?
Tongue?
What's your body count? And you better not lie. What's your body count? What age did you start having intercourse? Age.
Hey guys, we're back with another Ty and Tay YouTube video.
Yes, and today, I am going to be asking my husband some spicy questions. Actually, we got these questions from a questionnaire on Instagram. So if you're not following us over there, make sure you guys go ahead and do that right now, because we actually getting these spicy questions from Instagram. Okay? So I'm going to be asking him a couple questions that people wants to know, and he can either answer it or he can pass. I prefer him to answer it, because what spice without the spicy in it? You know? Right?
I don't know what you're talking about, but always.
What you mean? What's spicy without the spice in it?
Oh.
So, you ready?
Go ahead.
You sure? Because these questions are about to get lit.
You excited though?
Yes, because I always want to know these questions that I never asked or I never thought about asking.
Okay. Okay. You excited, so me can't give you one question alone. Oh, you do a fix here and all these extra something.
Are y'all ready? Comment down below, Team Tay or Team Ty, and we're about to get this banger started. What's funny?
Now you never funny now. So go on now.
What's the rush?
I never tell us the rush.
Obviously, it seems like it's a rush. Anyways, do you agree to answer these questions? You must
think a courthouse me now. You think a courthouse better? Oh, this man.
Raise your right hand if you agree to answer these questions truthfully and only but the truth.
See that? Can't come like that you want. Come and know what this minute. You think I did a spicy question? I never know some courthouse me now.
Alright, so let's get to these these questions. Alright, so the first question someone wants to know is, what's your body count? And you better not lie. What's your body count?
I don't know right now. I don't know. I forgot to think about that.
You got about 100 under your sleeve right now.
No, but me have to tell you, that's something I have to think about. From how long we not talk about? From my band, you know?
Yeah. Not from you born, because how you gonna say from you? I'm talking about what they probably wants to mean was since you've been in relationships, how many body counts, or since you've been having
Mama, me play skins where me a young age, you know. That me a talk about. That's what me ask you from when.
You was doing what?
What?
You was doing what from when you was young?
The burn skins? What about man? How much think I yesterday we start? We started something. You think I yesterday we start? I want to get out?
So give
me
us
a boy I deal with this long time. I ask you if you want me put in the part where I don't know if you don't know them phrases. Dugu, you know them little thing there? From them time there.
So from them time.
Yeah, and that's a young age.
So you could say within your time frame, can you say it's about 10 or more than 10?
Man, 10 hours me big man. You can't easily count that 10 in there. Come on. You can't pass 10 long.
Right, you was
What about 10? 10? That's small piece of number that you know. 10?
That's a small number?
You know me what? 10? 40 yard. So when we say from 40 yard till now. So
10 people is a little bit to you?
No, you hear me I say 40 yard. Me a 40. Me not have to give me exact number, but me a 40 yard. I could backtrack if you say, alright, when we reach the age of 10. Right? Because when you reach the age of 10, they say you're big, you know. You hear me? So from the age of 10 till now, right? Remember now me a 40 yard, so you can take a 30 from you.
Bro.
So out of them time, me a beat skin straight. So what about?
Okay, so cool. So more than 10.
By
okay. Far. Not by far.
By far.
Whatever. Okay, so next question. Who is your celebrity crush?
You have quite a few, you know. I know just one.
I said one.
Oh, you never say one, you say who is. You never say which. If me have one, who is. The celebrity crush.
You ain't supposed to have none.
Why?
Zed.
How you feel? I wish we really think we are living now.
So, how many celebrity crushes you got?
We can get one now.
I'm interested.
We can get one right now, but I want the whole still in about me still a celebrity crush. Halle Berry.
Everybody like her. She old school. So that's your
that show you how long me this is him.
Is that your main celebrity crush? Is Halle Berry? Because everybody likes her. I don't know why, but whatever.
Woman, a damn good man. What about?
Is it really?
Well, in whole no. But back in the days, you feel me? She had the thing.
So we gonna give and take Halle Berry, y'all. Try please. All right, the next one is what age you had your first tongue kiss?
Tongue? I see that's a problem about 8 or 9. You feel me?
So young?
You mean?
Bro, what was y'all doing? Hold on. What was y'all doing back in the days? Like,
then when I got school, I went there.
So what? I know y'all weren't doing this in y'all parents'
Yeah,
house.
they know some of me have a little girlfriend in me I got school, primary school.
Yeah, but I knew y'all weren't doing this in y'all
Alex.
parents' house. So y'all know people was around the bushes or something.
What kind of which bush you talk about, man? So when they at school, lunchtime.
8 or 9?
We go somewhere.
Tongue kissing somebody at 8 or 9? What do you even know about that at 8 or 9?
Me I tell you what I go on. What do you mean tongue kisses?
No, I'm talking about using the tongue, not no pep kiss, like not that kind of kiss.
You want like that? Girl, we do that 8 and 9, man. I'm telling you, we a big boy at the time, you know?
Bruh. Y'all, this man said he been beating skin since he was young for his tongue kiss at 8 or 9. Yo, this man was wild back in the days. All right.
I'm still wild.
So the next one.
I just more mature wild now. Yes, sir.
So the next one is, what age did you start having intercourse? Age. We don't want to. They don't want to know. They don't want to know like what you.
Yeah, but intercourse to me at the first time when my Wilson pushing a wall, you know.
Yes, intercourse. So what age?
I mean, I tell her, say if we go in the stage or we go back to the stage, we do the stage. And that me I ask her.
Yeah, do the stage.
Then me I do that from me 7 years, virgin 6, 7. Me do. Me I push in. Me I got mango bush. You know more mango bush?
What the?
You got mango bush? Back then, they call them something like battery. You don't even know about that. You know about battery?
No, what's that?
No, okay. That's below that then.
Y'all comment down below if y'all know what battery means.
I never say battery.
What did they say?
Battery.
So ask them then, because I don't know how to say it. Battery.
They know battery. Who don't know battery? Who know watch this? Know what battery is. You feel me? No battery. We need another nice style. No battery. Battery. You understand? So battery I go on from me at 6, 7.
That's
got mango bush
crazy.
I got mango bush.
Yo, y'all is wild as heck back there. I know about them islanders. Y'all just be all over the place.
I say you call it?
Yes. Okay, so name the craziest place you ever had sex. Name the craziest place you ever.
Crazy for me would have been on top of a rooftop when rain and fall. That would be crazy for me.
No, name the craziest place that you ever.
Yeah, on top of a rooftop.
You had sex on top of a rooftop?
That would be the craziest place. For me. Yeah.
So you freaky like that?
That ain't got nothing to do with freaky, mama.
On top of the rooftop?
But that's not freaky.
So what is it for you?
That's just you want to go experience something. That doesn't mean that's freaky.
On the rooftop while it's raining? What if y'all would have slid down?
They want to just drop off, man? You mean? And I say, what's that? So we that slid down.
What the?
It means slid down.
Bro, y'all were living the most wildest life ever. Like,
Well,
me growing up, I have never, like...
So, well, you don't understand. In Jamaica, most rooftop is concrete rooftop. So
Okay.
it's flat like
So it's firm.
Flat. It's flat like this.
Okay.
Rooftop. You feel me? No rooftop.
Okay, so I'm thinking about the ones that slant, which would be here.
No, we
I'm about to say
we never say them. Them they are zinc rooftop. We not call them the rooftop, which is
okay, so flat.
concrete. Yeah. So you can't stop and you go up on top again, but you don't really have the money to go up on top again. So now the roof just stay there for a minute or two. So we're gonna fall, you just go up on the rooftop. You feel me?
And that was one of your craziest places.
Yes.
Okay. Comment down below on what was one of your craziest places that you ever had intercourse, y'all. One of the craziest places.
Really?
One of the craziest
Say what the people in this bill, which one they have?
People, they ain't embarrassed. Obviously, you ain't.
It's a question.
You spilling all the beans.
Again. Next question.
Okay, so the next question is, are you satisfied in the bedroom right now?
If I'm satisfied. If I'm satisfied, meaning I'm satisfied with the person, or I'm satisfied with myself.
No, I don't know. It just says, "Are you satisfied in the bedroom?"
Yeah, but satisfy meaning, am I satisfying
Both then.
you or satisfying myself?
No, are you satisfied?
Or I'm satisfied with
overall?
my partner. Well, overall, I'm satisfied then. You feel me? Because if I did it with my partner by myself, satisfied meaning the work with me I do, it may perform good. You feel me? That you understand?
This man, so
Or when me I get from my wife, if me satisfied with that. So again,
both.
that's why I'm saying overall, yeah, both. Yeah. But me, I don't know. You feel me? And I'm telling myself, if you question them.
Nobody gotta go
To
into
me, my
nobody
five
gotta
part
go
and six
into
part.
details. Yeah, we know.
Okay,
We know.
Okay.
Okay, so describe your personality.
Outgoing, fun, easy to talk to, easy to approach. So me can look for myself.
Easy to talk to. Don't add that in there.
What do you mean that?
But keep going.
What you fit tell me when me feel the night?
Keep going.
Anybody can see me and come up to me and say hi.
Hmm.
When you see me look miserable to you,
Hell yeah. Keep going.
me look miserable to you.
Keep
But
going.
again, when I'm in the public, do my face look miserable
It does.
to somebody? If you say, alright, then I'll go approach me. That's a lie. So on and on, I would say I'm an outgoing person.
Okay, that's your personality.
That's my personality. I'm very outgoing.
Okay. So what's your? They also say, what's your passion?
Passion.
Yeah.
Passion. I don't know. To be honest with you, because
Like you like to decor.
yeah, I like to do things, but then I get bored after a minute. So I don't know. I wouldn't say I have a full passion, but I like to decorate things.
Okay.
Interior decorating. I'm good at that. I don't know if I would call that a passion, but I guess it could be. But I like the things. Me have a creative mind.
A creative mind. Okay, so that's your passion.
So
Okay,
I don't know if
so
that answer them.
it's two more questions, but one of them is, what's your favorite thing about your wife? What's your favorite thing?
Me not have one. Unfortunately, me not have one.
You don't have no favorite thing about
No,
her?
me don't have one. I have several. You feel me?
Okay.
Me just have one favorite thing about her. So, but mother said her kindness. I don't know if that could consider that. But her kindness, her ways, personality can jump on that too. Just the fact that she's easygoing at times.
Why you couldn't just leave it how it
No,
was,
can't
bro?
leave it where it was.
Bro, why you
At
could
times,
just
you
leave it
feel me?
how it
So,
was?
overall, your personality.
Okay.
You feel me? But what do you want? What have yourself, Bassy?
Period. All right, so the last question is, name 3 things you can work on in your relationship.
Number
Just
1,
3.
yeah, be more patient. I think have an understanding would come on and be more patient too, maybe. 3 things. Patient. Have more conversation.
Okay, so communicate.
Yeah, communication, have more conversation, you know.
Okay.
Be more passionate? Nah. What I say be more
Have more empathy.
that you don't want. That you don't want. You feel me? You don't want that, don't. That you don't want, man.
Let me let you do your thing, because this is your question.
That you don't want, man.
This
But
is your question.
no, I feel like say conversation, just have more dialogue, conversation, have more patience, you feel me? And give more love.
Yeah, it is. Jamaicans are the hardest sometimes to love. When I tell you sometimes the hardest to love, he's almost the hardest to love. But it's like he's the hardest to love, but he's the easiest to love. I would say that he's easy to love, but then he's hard to love. So I don't know if it's just how he grew up, probably, but you know, I like it though. I love it. So
Then if you never love you, there. Clear as day.
not too much.
Clear as day.
Not too much.
Big Henry.
Not too
You feel me?
Why you gotta do all of that?
Big Henry.
Anyways, y'all, so if y'all enjoyed this video, Make sure y'all comment down below, spam those comments, like this video, get this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video to all your friends, your families. Share it to the WhatsApp group chat. Yeah, you know. And babe, anything you want to say?
Yeah. Peace and love. Be safe, guys, out there.
Deuces.